Thanks for choosing Waterdrop. How to reset the filter after replacement. Let's start with removing the expired filter. Firstly, turn off the feed water adapter and turn on the faucet. Now you can remove the front cover. Then press the power button for 3 seconds to turn off power. Then pull up the locking handle and pull out the expired filter with the help of handle. Next, insert a new filter and push down the locking handle. You should press hard with your hand until you hear a snap and the locking handle stays in place. The locking handle, and front end are on the same vertical line. Now the filter is perfectly locked. After replacing the filter, you can turn on the feed water adapter. You need to press the power button for 3 seconds. Then the indicator light will be on and you will hear a ding. Then the system will automatically flush for 25 seconds and the rest button and power button will flash alternately. 25 seconds later these two buttons will be on. After flushing, press the reset button for 3 seconds. Release it when you hear a ding sound and the indicator light will change from flashing to constant. Now put back the front cover and press the button to lock it. In the end, turn on the faucet to flush the system for 20 minutes. Now you have successfully completed the filter reset.